Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Zooming the document in Word lets you easily change the document's magnification level. One way to do this, as mentioned in a previous lesson, is to use the Zoom slider that appears in the lower right corner of the application window. The document's current magnification level appears as a percentage to the right of the Zoom slider. To shrink the magnification level, click and drag the Zoom slider left towards the minus symbol. Alternatively, to increase the magnification level, click and drag the slider to the right towards the plus sign. Note that if you increase the document magnification to the point that Word can no longer fully display the document horizontally, then the horizontal scroll bar appears at the bottom of the document. You can then use it to scroll left and right to fully inspect the document at your desired magnification level. Some basic zoom settings also appear on the View tab of the ribbon within the Zoom button group. You can set the magnification level to 100% by clicking the 100% button. You can also set the magnification level to fit one page, multiple pages, or the full page width within the available area in the on-screen display by clicking the buttons of the same names in this button group. You can also change the document's magnification level by using the settings available within the Zoom dialog box. To access this dialog box, click the actual Zoom magnification level in the status bar. Alternatively, simply click the View tab in the ribbon and then click the Zoom button in the Zoom button group. In the Zoom dialog box, you can then select the desired zoom level by choosing an option from the Zoom To section or by entering a value directly into the percent spinner. You can also choose to display multiple pages at a time by clicking the Many Pages icon below the Option button and then choosing how many pages to display. Your options range from 1x1 pages to 2x4 pages. A preview of the display then appears below your setting options. After setting your desired magnification level, click the OK button to apply the changes to the document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.